Hey everyone, and welcome to today's video where we will be discussing how to make money online. Whether you are looking for a side hustle or a free time income, there are plenty of opportunities to earn money online. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more new videos. First things first, one of the most popular way to make money online is through freelancing. If you have a particular skill, such as writing, graphic design, or programming, you can offer your services to clients on freelancing platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. These platforms or websites allow you to set your own rates, choose your own clients, work on projects that interest you. Another way to make money online is through affiliate marketing. This is where you promote other people's products or services and earn a commission for every sale that you generate. There are many affiliate marketing programs out there, including Amazon Associate and Clickbank, which offer a wide range of products to promote. To get started, you will need to create a website or social media platform where you can promote these products and generate traffic to your links. If you are looking for a more passive way to earn money online, you can try creating and selling digital products. This could include ebooks, online courses, or even stocks photography. Platforms like Gumroad, Udemy, and Shutterstock make it easy to create and sell your own digital products. And once you have set them up, you can continue to earn passive income from them. Next up, you can also make money online through online surveys and focus groups. While you won't make a lot of money doing this, it can be a good way to earn some extra cash in your spare time. So, some popular survey sites include Swagbox, SurveyJunk, and Vindel Research. Lastly, one of the most lucrative ways to make money online is through blogging or vlogging. This requires a lot of hard work and dedication, but if you can build up a loyal following, you can earn money through ads, sponsorship, and affiliate marketing. To get started, you will need to create a website or a YouTube channel and constantly create high quality content that appeals to your target audience. There you have it, 5 ways to make money online. Whether you are looking for a full-time income or just some extra cash, there are plenty of opportunities out there. Just remember that it takes time and effort to build a successful online business, but with the right strategy and dedication, you can achieve your goal. Don't forget to like and subscribe and click the bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.